Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and today on next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold, USD, and silver. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And after making a high of 3,896, gold showed some retracement. After that, gold took support around 3,850, 3,85152, but around 3,850 it took support, and now we can see that gold is trading around 3,870. So you can say that right now 3,900 and 3,850 is range for gold. But if you look at the bigger range, then the bigger range of gold is 3,900 to 3,800 from where market bounced previously. And as we all know, tomorrow is an important day because of the NFP. And as we all know, before a major event like NFP, market stays sideways. So we can expect that till tomorrow or till NFP, this will be the range for gold. But gold has been full of surprises recently. Okay, if gold breaks 3,900, obviously we can't help it, but it should be the range till tomorrow. 3,900 at the top and 3,800 at the bottom. Okay, so let's try to find out the trading opportunities for the day. As you can clearly see that there is not much volume in the market. Okay, so as a day trader, we can expect 3,852 to 3,849, the blue box here, to provide support to the market again once. See, already market has taken support here. So in this low volume situation, we can expect gold to bounce again. How many times? Once. Because if the level becomes too common, market will break it. Keep in mind, before US session, only we can expect the support to work. US session brings volume and there's a possibility that market may go below the support. Okay, so before US session, if we get an opportunity to buy on 3852, we can go for a buy position. And after the US session, if you see the market is showing selling pressure, okay, you can also look for a sell below 3,847. Already I have mentioned in the Telegram community also. If you want to go for a sell below 3,847, you can go for it. But keep in mind, this is a high risk trade. Why a high risk trade? Because taking a sell position is going against the trend of the market. Okay, personally, I do not have any intention of taking that trade. Okay, as of now, let's see. Okay, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on gold, market is showing big red candles, then you can look for a sell below 3,847. Otherwise, 3,852, 3,849 is the immediate support on the chart of gold. And if a drop comes, where are the next levels? The next support levels on the chart of gold are around 3,832 and 3,816. These are the next two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. The blue lines here. Okay, we are considering 3,832 because of market taking support around this area previously, and we are considering 3,816 because the previous resistance will become the new support. Okay, 32 and 16, and if we draw FIBO, you can also see we have FIBO 61.8 and 78.6% retracement levels also. So if a drop comes on gold, okay, 32 and 16 are the next support levels where we can look for a buy. If the selling pressure is very high, as a day trader or scalper, you can also look for a high risk sell below 47. But as of now, volume is very less, so chances are also very less, and we can expect another bounce around 50 to 49 area. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities if gold comes down. And if gold goes up from here, my dear friends, as a day trader, we can look for a buy above 72. You can see the black dotted line here. You can look for a buy above this zone as well. If you do not want to take much risk, if you're looking for a low risk trading opportunity, you can see I have also drawn an arrow here. You can also look for a buy at pullback. Means after the breakout, when market will come down, this area 71, 72 should act as the new support. So when the same area will become the new support, you can buy at pullback. This will be safer in comparison to buying at breakout. Right now volume is low, so obviously buying at pullback will be much more safer. And you can also see that I have drawn two more dotted lines here at the top. These are 87 to 90. 388790 and so 3880. Okay, these are the two levels on the chart of gold, okay, where you can look for a sell position as a scalper. How much you can expect? Do not expect much. 40 to 50 pips also. These are around 3880 and 388790. These are the two levels where you can look for a quick sell opportunity if you want to take some risk. Okay, right now market seems to be sideways, and before a major event like NFP, market remains choppy. Okay, this time not sure. Okay, usually we see, most of the time we see market is choppy before a major event. So if market continues the choppiness or the previous behavior, we can expect selling opportunity around 80 and 87.90. And if US session brings surprise, and if we see that there is a sudden buy on gold, gold is going up, then obviously, okay, you need to avoid it, because common sense and trading go side by side. In that scenario, okay, you can go for a buy above 3900. Okay, 3900. Can't believe. Anyways, let's see how does the market behave during the day. But right now, okay, things are not very clear because volume is very low and market is sideways for day traders. Overall, the trend of the market is super bullish. There is no doubt about it. If you are holding a buy on gold, hold your buy. Okay, hold your buy with trailing stop loss, because trend of the market is still super bullish. Not bullish, super bullish. And there's a 50-minute chart of silver in front of us, and on the chart of silver we can see that overall the trend of the market is bullish. Okay, silver is continuing the bullish trend here, but if you look at the recent candles, then we can see some changes. The market is showing a sideways type of nature, or market seems to be choppy. So here also, okay, we can look for, okay, buying opportunities if market goes down. And if you have any ongoing buy, if you have been holding silver for the last few days, you can hold, because trend of the market is bullish. So here, my dear friends, okay, if market drops, as a day trader, you can look for a buy around 467998. Okay, this is the first level where you can look for a buy. Okay, the second level is around 46.5380. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy if market takes support. And right now market seems to be choppy, so there is a good chance that market will take support. Okay, we are considering 46.7998 because of previous price rejection around this area. Keep in mind, this is a whole support zone till 6726. Okay, till 6726 we have a whole support zone. Okay, and the second support is around 5380, this dotted line here. And if market goes up, okay, I do not see any selling opportunities now, because if you want to go for a sell, you can go for a sell, but that is high risk. And suggesting a sell position during the Asian session, okay, is very risky. But during the US session or later on, if you see some good amount of selling opportunity, it's your call. But personally, I will just suggest you to wait for the market to come down so that you can buy at break, so buy at retracement.